What does George have on him?
Stickers.
Yeah. What do the stickers have on them?
That.
Are they numbers?
Yeah, numbers.
And what animals?
Animals.
What kind?
A rubber ducky.
Rubber ducky. What else?
A whale.
And?
A dinosaur. A turtle.
Turtle.
A rubber ducky again.
What else?
A giraffe.
Yeah? And? Where's the... What's
A
that?
turtle.
Turtle? What else?
There's two turtles. Two turtles. Two turtles. Two turtles.
What? Is there a giraffe somewhere? I think...
Oh, that's a
Giraffe? Where's the kangaroo? That's an elephant. Where's the kangaroo?
There.
Good job.
There.
Yeah?
There. There.
Very cute, Abby. Good job.
There.
Say bye-bye.